If you're anything like me, you don't like paying anybody to do stuff. It's kind of inconvenient, costs money, and there's some things you can just do at home. So I ordered this sandblasting kit that attaches to a pressure washer from Amazon. It was only like 25 bucks. Read some pretty decent reviews on it. Comes with, looks like a bendy hose, some clamps. They do have specific nozzle sizes according to what your pressure washer makes. So we actually just fixed the pressure washer, and we're gonna see if we can put this thing together. I've got a fender and my transmission adapter that I kind of like to clean up with this thing. So we'll see how it works. So we're all set up. There's a transmission adapter that we're going to try to clean up. Here's a transmission cross member. Got to see how it does on that. I do want to note that looks like my sand got a little wet. So it's out in the back of the truck. So we'll see if it still sucks it out and shoots it through. I imagine that might cause some clumping, but we'll see. I don't think the white suit's mandatory, but last time I did this, picking sand out of places that I don't want to speak about for about 2 weeks. So yeah, wasn't fun. Hopefully this will help mitigate some of that. I'm gonna take a little break. A couple things I noticed. It actually does a pretty good job, but the quality of sand is kind of a big deal. I haven't had that nozzle clog up any. You want to make sure you keep the sand feed side above the water. That's going to prevent the water from clogging up the sand and all that stuff. However, with my sand being clumpy, it's definitely wet. It's not feeding too great. Now that that bag's feeding a whole lot better. So as long as I can actually see the sand going through the tube, that sucker just eats away at that stuff. But I'll take a little break, then I'm gonna start working on that other piece. There's gonna be a link down in the description for this little kit. 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, I hate sanding, but I mean, it knocked off, what was that, an 82? So I mean, decades worth of grime, paint, other shenanigans on that cross member. So I mean, can't beat that at all. Now we'll say transfer case adapter. I mean, it cleaned living snot out of it, so I can't complain about that one bit. You gotta do it.
So that's your name now, Dirty Mike? I look like poo!
Do it.
Welcome to Dirty Mike's